Welcome to Northern Ten Shop iChannel. Thank you so much to everyone who have been supporting us, everyone who have been subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. We are now left with only less than 700 subscribers. So please help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Northern Ten Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 3. Chiba United 0, Nedbank Cup. My sister, how are you?
Ndiyaphila njani mfowethu?
Siyapila. Uzizwa kanjani ke game
Yo kakhulu ikhosi libuyile. Libuyile likhosi libuyile. Sifuna iPirates neSundowns combined together. Sizobabonisa. Yes.
Oh, that's good. So ubani odlala kakhulu udlula bonke abantu namhlanje?
Yo bonke Sirino. Yo wenze nje into yakhe yedwa. Usebenzile lo wamfana. And then we have a goalkeeper there. We have a goalkeeper Uma. Oh, I'm happy for Nabi because uqale ngokupheka. Ngoku uyaphaka. Sizokya sihluthe sibe nemikhaya.